Hey guys, I'm showing you this woodworking chef apron for men, and this can also be used like as a high quality apron that can be used in a different function. So comes in a really nice gift box. So this is a great gift for men, or you can give it on the Christmas or any other occasion you want to give. So you can see like the packing is really nice and the quality is great. And this is a 20 oz tool apron, 24 by 28 inches, and this have this leather hanging loop, and also the two different hanging loop, cell phone pocket or any other stuff here. So you can see this fits really well, and then this have all these different pockets to put all the different tools for woodworking and a high quality chef apron.